So now that you are considering self-sustaining urban development as an investment opportunity, you might ask, how is it possible to have high and safe returns? What are the conditions and guarantees? Is the investment liquid? You will get these answers in 3 minutes. SUD is an impact investment fund focused on real estate property that generates employment through shared economy software. According to Morningstar.com, in the past 5 years, sustainable investments returned 17.9%, 3.5% more than the S&P 500. So sustainable investments are not only socially desirable, but in fact provide higher returns too. The Global Impact Investment Network, GIIN, compared all listed funds to 36 impact investment funds from 1999 to 2010 and concluded that impact funds returned 5% more than funds with less than $100 million. Social responsible investments grew from US $13.2 trillion to $21.3 trillion in 2 years. So investors are turning these investments as a reliable and profitable financial instrument. Among impact investments, employment generation is the second most common investment theme, according to GIIN. SUD's first investment in 2015 is a fashion outlet mall specialized in low-cost clothing produced by small and family-owned industries in northern Brazil. The outlet is a real estate property but also carries 3 social tools. Higher returns are obtained because these social components are not offered by typical property, so more demand is driven to the outlet and property evaluation is accelerated. This outlet is specialized in low-cost clothing to Brazilian lower-income population that accounts for 66% of the local population. Shared economy reduces cost, so good quality clothes are offered at 60% lower prices than in mainstream outlets. Software that allows entrepreneurs to sell through a nationwide wholesale e-marketplace called Platform of Fashion. It provides products and services to manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. Investment returns for the outlet were projected at 20% a year in local currency, but reached 69% in US dollars because SUD systems allowed these entrepreneurs to reduce costs and increase sales. It took the S&P 500 from 2012 to 2016 to reach 66% in returns, but only 1 year for SUD to reach the same profitability. SUD invested in a master plan where the local developer built affordable housing for hundreds of families. SUD invests in the expansion of existing urban development. Current residents shared their positive experiences about living in a planned urban environment on YouTube. Check it out.
Se você procura uma casa, aqui é lugar. Aqui a gente aprende a ganhar o que a gente precisa, nossa segurança, nossa harmonia entre vizinhos, moradia excelente.
SUD investments are guaranteed by property that is leased after completion and then conferred to a listed fund, where investors receive their returns quarterly and can sell their position on the stock market. Investors don't have to deal with property management nor selling it. Investors own fund stock that owns the property. SUD only invests in property construction, with guaranteed costs which are built in zone and fully licensed master plans. Guaranteed prices allow a minimum yearly return of 10% in lease contracts, in addition to property evaluation in local currency. SUD's local developer co-invests from 20 to 50%, so all the risks are shared. In the case of construction cost overrun, the local partner provides guarantees with its property to protect investors' stake. Construction to lease cycle is only 18 months, when investors start to have quarterly tax-free lease income and can sell their investment at any time. If you want to learn more and invest, click here.